AI, it's not artificial intelligence. It is actually additional intelligence. Why? When it comes
Mm,
to healthcare settings, empathy is number one. Okay,
absolutely.
so you are not, yeah, AI will help you in a precision medicine, which is, they will calculate the race, percentage of it, very precise data on it. But based on the feeds on the internet or what we train them, or I call as a machine learning. So outside of the box, for example, when we are treating a patient, we are treating holistically, not just based on the treatments and the efficiency of the treatment itself. Holistically means the background of the patients, what about the financial burden of that patients, what are the options treatment can be given for this patient, or what about the family support. That where the AI cannot cope or not be comparable to the real life clinicians
Yep.
on the ground, because the only added advantage for the clinicians on the ground is the empathy itself, and they know how to plan or roadmap of a treatment can be given to that patient. So AI can just lay out, oh, this is treatments A, B, C,
Yeah.
D. But when it comes to the clinicians, they see holistically. What about financial burden? What about the family support and all that? If this doesn't work, what else can work? So all in all, AI in a healthcare settings, and my point of view is additional intelligence rather than artificial intelligence.